How to set up a footer in Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're someone that does not know how you can get started with the basics of Shopify, then you need to know how to set up your footer, because the footer is where a lot of the important information is going to be hiding within your store. So within your footer, you need to include your privacy policy, shipping policies, return policies, any affiliate programs. And you might listen to this and think, hey, how do I do that? Well, don't worry, it's very easy. To get started, just head on over into your Shopify dashboard and then click on settings. Once you click on settings on the bottom left, you're going to simply go ahead and scroll down into the left. And then once you scroll down, you will find this section called policy. Click on policies over here and you will see there are going to be no policies here. First off, go into contact information and enter your legal contact information that is going to be used for your Shopify store. So whatever it is, you're going to add that over here like so, and I'm just going to click on publish. Then you're going to enter your shipping policy. Now all items are shipped within 15 days. So on and so forth. You can use any AI chatbot tool to write your shipping policy. Obviously, you're going to define what exactly your policy entails. Then you have your terms of service. Now, Shopify makes this easy by simply providing you a template that you can use. Click on insert template, and then you're going to be removing all of this and inserting your own trade name, like so, inserting your own business address, like so, entering your own phone number and registration number and VAT numbers. Once done, just click on publish here, and just like so, your terms of service are ready. Then you have a return and refund policy. We're gonna insert the basic template like so. Once done, you can proceed and you're going to click on online store menu. Now, policies are going to be linked and this can be added on your store menu, but I prefer to keep them at the footer. Then click on online store over here, and once you click on online store, you're going to go on ahead and open up your store customizer. Once you click on customize here, just scroll to the bottom to view your footer and to see how it looks. So all of the policies have been added. I can click on the footer and click on add block if I want to add anything else, including any menu, text, or images. And just like so, our Shopify store footer is ready. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.